Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram sign up problem. So first of all, go back and go to your Play Store, search for your Instagram and update your Instagram if it's available here. So I have updated before. Then go back when you're done, go for your settings, then go for apps and notification. Search for your Instagram and go for it. Click on force stop. You have to force stop it. Now go for storage and cache. Clear the cache. Go back and you can fix your sign up problem on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.